2019 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.